with a political row that has spilled over into the sports and entertainment realm. BJP leaders and religious figures have targeted actor Shah Rukh Khan over his IPL team KKR, or Kolkata Knight Riders, buying a Bangladeshi cricketer during the auctions amid allegations of atrocities against minorities in Bangladesh right now. The controversy erupted after KKR bought Bangladesh left-arm fast bowler Mustafizur Rahman at the IPL's players auction held on the 16th of December for a reported price of 9.2 crore rupees. The Indian Premier League is scheduled to begin in March. The BJP leader from Uttar Pradesh, Sangeet Som, strongly criticized Shah Rukh Khan at a public event and called the superstar as a traitor. Now, these are his words, linking the purchase of a Bangladeshi player to reports of violence against Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh. He also warned that such players will not be able to step out of the airport, again his words, if they come to India. Spiritual leader Devkinandan Thakur has also joined the criticism, accusing the KKR management of ignoring the situation in Bangladesh and urging the team not to include the Bangladeshi cricketer in their final squad. Well, shocking remarks from Sangeet Som. Now, these remarks have triggered a political counterattack as well. Congress leaders are hitting back at the Bharatiya Janata Party, calling it a traitor party. Now, these are the words of the Congress to describe the BJP, and they've accused it of using sports and artists to push a political agenda. The controversy has now evolved into a wider debate, mixing sport, politics and regional tensions as well. Even as the IPL season draws closer, sample the political reactions that have come in.
अब वो चर्चा में बने रहने के लिए सोम जी तरह तरह के बयान देते रहते हैं। वो राष्ट्रीय मामला है। अब वो जो उससे संबंधित लोग हैं वो उनका विषय है, वो देखें।
बांग्लादेश में इस समय जो हिंदुओं के खिलाफ हो रहा है वो बहुत ही दुखद है और इससे पूरे हिंदुस्तान की जो हिंदू भावनाएं हैं बहुत आहत है। सरकार को निश्चित तौर पर बांग्लादेश को बोलना पड़ेगा कि हिंदू विरोधी जो हिंसक अभियान चल रहा है वो खत्म होना चाहिए, रुकना चाहिए। नहीं तो सरकार को व्यक्तिगत तौर पर अपने स्तर पर एक दखलंदाजी देनी पड़ेगी। और जब भावनाएं भड़कती हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग निशाने पे आ जाते हैं। मुझे लगता है बीजेपी के नेता के निशाने पर, इसलिए शाहरुख खान साहब बांग्लादेश के किसी खिलाड़ी को अगर अपने टीम में ले रखे हैं तो उसको नमस्ते करें, क्योंकि आज बांग्लादेश में जो हो रहा है उससे हमारे हिंदुस्तान के हर वर्ग में एक जबरदस्त नाराजगी है।
Well, let me go across to my colleague Karishma, who's been tracking these reactions quite closely. Extremely shocking reactions coming in from some members of the political class. Karishma, because of course Mustafizur Rahman has been bought by KKR, but he was also part of the auction pool as well. And any team that is participating in the auction does have the license to purchase any cricketer that it deems fit. So this is snowballing into a big controversy now. Some very shocking remarks being made from members of the political class.
Well, it's absolutely, Siddharth, this has become very, very political. But as far as the sporting aspect of it is concerned, you are absolutely correct that the Bangladeshi player which is in the Kolkata Knight Riders team, which is Mustafizur Rahman, was a part of the auction pool. So Shah Rukh Khan, his team, Kolkata Knight Riders, were well within their rights to purchase him because they felt that he is going to fit the bill as far as the team is concerned. It doesn't necessarily guarantee that he is going to be a part of the playing 11, and this is not the first time that a Bangladeshi player is in the IPL. Shakib Al Hasan has been a part of IPL from 2011 to 2017. Mustafizur Rahman himself has played for 4 to 5 different franchises. Earlier than this, he was in Delhi Capitals in 2025. He's now a part of Kolkata Knight Riders. So obviously, the larger responsibility or the questions that these political figures are asking should probably be of the BCCI or the IPL as to why Bangladeshi players were there in the auction pool, because they were there in the auction pool. That is the only reason why KKR decided to buy Mustafizur Rahman. If he wasn't there in the auction pool, the question of who is going to buy him or which team is going to play or whether he's going to step foot in India or not wouldn't have arisen.
देखो, किसी को भी जो है वो राष्ट्रभक्ति का, किसी को भी जो है वो नेशनलिज्म का प्रमाण पत्र देने का जो है वो ठेका नहीं देश ने दिया है। इस तरह के नेशनलिज्म का प्रमाण पत्र बांटने की कोशिश किसी को नहीं करनी चाहिए।
देखिए, बांग्लादेश में जिस तरीके से निर्मम हत्याएं हिंदुओं की हो रही हैं, उनके घर जलाए जा रहे हैं, उनकी बहन बेटियों के साथ दुष्कर्म हो रहा है, 6-7 वर्ष की बच्ची को जिंदा जलाया जा रहा है, और उतने निर्मम हत्याओं को देखने के बाद भी कोई व्यक्ति इतना निर्दयी कैसे हो सकता है, जो कि एक टीम का मालिक भी अपने आप को कहता है, वो कैसे इतना निर्दयी हो सकता है कि उसी देश के क्रिकेटर को अपनी टीम में ले और बहुसंख्यक हिंदुओं को उस देश में जहां 80% से ज्यादा हिंदू हैं, उस देश में क्रिकेट लीग में अपनी टीम रखे और उसमें बांग्लादेशी क्रिकेटर को ले आए, जो क्रिकेटर उस देश से आता है जहां बहन बेटियां जलाई जा रही हैं, उनके साथ दुष्कर्म किए जा रहा है, जिंदे बच्चे जलाए जा रहे हैं और डे बाई डे जलाए जा रहे हैं। सिर्फ वो चंदुदास ही नहीं जलाया गया, उसके बाद तमाम लोग मारे जा रहे हैं, और किसी को गोली मार रहे हैं, किसी को मार मार के मार रहे हैं, किसी को घर से खींच के ले जा रहे हैं। ये सब हो रहा है बांग्लादेश में, और हिंदू मर रहा है बांग्लादेश में, और हम मौन पे मौन नहीं, हाथ पे हाथ नहीं रख सकते।